Hey, Simon. What's up? Got the hiccups?
There, is that a little easier on you? Can we fix the hiccups now, Daddy?
Yeah, fix the hiccups now? It just keeps going and going.